Hi everyone, Stacey from We Love Renters here. So I know there's lots of people out there, whether you're from Hartlepool, just the northeast, or a little bit further afield, that want to get into property investing, but might be a little bit unsure of where to start. So if anyone does need information such as typical costs a landlord might incur, such as management fees, tenancy sign-up fees, anything like that, we would love to help you. We can also advise on typical renovation costs for properties and the standard that would be expected of tenants these days, and we can also help point you in the right direction to reliable tradesmen. Or if you want to be a little bit more of a hands-off landlord, we'd be happy to project manage any renovation you might have in any new property you have recently purchased. So if you are looking to get into investing in property, especially in Hartlepool, or if you're already a landlord in the town looking for a new agent, feel free to give us a call on 01429 363636. We have lots of information on all of our landlord services that we'd love to help you with. So yeah, give us a call and we'll see how we can help. Thank you.